Hello everyone and welcome back to the Car Ghost channel. I've been cleaning the car today, so I finally decided to get to changing the air filters. I have my trusted FCP Euro box. I buy from FCP Euro because they have lifetime warranty even on things like air filters. So in 30,000 miles when I need to change them again, which 30,000 miles is about how long you should have your air filters for, I'm gonna change them for free. So I'll just send them the old ones, they'll send me new ones, and we're all good to go. Now, this is a Mercedes Benz E350. We'll drop this there for a second. And this is a M272 engine, if I'm not mistaken, but I'm pretty sure it is M272. And mine look a bit different because Pro Dipper painted this silver part in red for me. So, without further ado, we're gonna open this box, we'll pull the filters out, and we're gonna change them. I'll show you how. Alright, I'm gonna open the box and let's see what's inside. Here is that lifetime warranty. And here is the set of replacement filters. I'm gonna leave the rest out for now because there is other stuff here that is for further videos. I use MAN OEM filters, and as I said, I bought them from FCP Euro. Now I'm gonna show you how to take this airbox out. First thing we're gonna do is take these little bolts out. You just actually this cover should come out first. Set it on the sidewalk. First bolt is out almost, put it right here, and second bolt, just pull it out and it comes out like this. Next part is to take the airbox out, and to do that you just have to pull this clip to the back, and it's just some clips, so shake it up, there we go, it comes right out. One-handed operation, not my strong side. Here is the box. I'm gonna close. There we go. We're gonna close the hood so no debris can fall inside the engine. Alright. So we have 6/8 Torx screws. They're right here. 1, 2, 3, 4 on each side. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm gonna go grab my screwdriver and we're gonna unscrew those right away. So what I'm using right here is this bit set from Aries Tools. I'm gonna link it down below, affiliate link from Amazon, and the number Torx bit is 25. So here, let's take these out. There we go, 8 bolts total. And here are the filters. They are kind of dirty. The bolts don't have to go all the way out, so you can leave them on the boxes. Also, if you notice, there are some leaves inside, so these we gotta clean real quick. So I'm gonna get my compressed air and wipe all this. So, filter installation is very simple. Look at this clean one and this dirty K&M filter. You just pull the old one out, clean up the airbox, again with compressed air. You can also wipe it with a microfiber cloth. Make sure it's nice and visibly clean, and just pop the other filter inside. There we go. Place it back in. I'm gonna do the same thing for the other filter because my car has two. There we go. Look at all the leaves inside. Again, clean it up with compressed air and wipe it with a microfiber cloth. Nice and clean. We'll put the second filter in. Nice and flat. Now that the filter's in, we tighten the 8 Torx bits. 1, 2, 3, 4, and the same on the other side. Now we take the airbox and put it back in the car, same way we took it out. First goes the airbox. Make sure you match the little clips on where they go. And just push it in. Okay, and then tighten the clip that was in the back. There we go, nice and sturdy. Just give it a little wipe. If you put it on the floor, it's probably a little dirty. Next thing we do is put the little air boots. They go in as such in the same place. First, I first put the front, and then I put the back, and all that's left is the little plastic cover. We put that on, give it a little wipe, and this is how you change your air filters. I'm gonna hold on to the dirty air filters because they're Can-Am, and I have a cleaning kit. I'm going to show you in one of the next videos how to clean the air filters of your car. But this is how you change the air filters from Mercedes Benz, the W211, E350 4MATIC, and any other 350 Mercedes that has the M272 engine. Hope you found this video informative, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe for a lot more videos to come. See you in the next one. Bye.